Mr. Nagatehalli Ramesh was presented with the prestigious Mahavir International Peace Award at the Pragyan Bhavan in Kolkata, an accolade dedicated to the spiritual reformer Lord Mahavir, founder of Jainism. Nagatehalli Ramesh is a multi-talented socio-cultural influencer hailing from Karnataka. He is a renowned poet, thinker, social worker, filmmaker, political and social reformer, and farmer. Nagatehalli Ramesh was felicitated by Dr. Suresh Agrawal, chairman of the Pragyan Foundation, entrepreneur Chandan Agrawal, Professor Dr. Parthasarthi Chakrabarti, President of the Lions Club of Kolkata Magnet, Advocate Basudev Agrawal, Director of the city's Rotary Club, Socio-cultural motivator Ashish Basak, Editorial Director of Hello Kolkata, Lion Siddharth Ganguly, singer Sangeeta Das, archaeologist Partha Bose, social worker Ashima Das, poet and Lion Sangeeta Das, among others. During this grand celebration of Mahavir Jayanti, 3 books authored by Nagatehalli Ramesh were officially launched. In his brief acceptance speech, Mr. Ramesh stated, "Let us all unite for the cause of good work and move forward together with everyone in the pursuit of non-violence, truth, equality, and peace."
His spiritual leader, and more than his soul is universe. I'm happy, very much happy. I'm going to receive Bhagwan Mahavir Antarashtriya Trustee in presence of in his chairmanship. I'm very, very thankful to first Dr. Sudesh Kumar Agarwalji, and then the simultaneously for this my I always told my second mother, Siddharth Mukhopadhyay, he also talked a few words about me. I'm very thankful to him also. And on this occasionally, he's a man of dynamism. Every day is working hard and very down to earth also. And he engaged with lot of programs. We have to support and push him. My dearest friend brother, he is a Calcutta and he is doing lot of works and Rotary Club and Lions Club and all. Particularly, one thing I have to do, मैं दिल से बात करता हूँ. I love Calcutta and West Bengal journalist. पश्चिम बंगाल से, कलकत्ता से पत्रकार बहुत वो मेरा दिल है. तो मेरे को सभी दिया, प्यार दिया, खुश दिया, सभी दिया. They given love, care, compassion and everything, and always grateful to West Bengal and particularly Calcutta patrikas or journalists and all the peoples, so many peoples. Yeah.
World Peace International Award 2026. This inaugural presentation of this prestigious honor is proudly, reverentially and ceremoniously conferred upon Sri Nagatehalli Ramesh, an internationally acclaimed Kannada poet, visionary thinker, agriculturist, filmmaker and dedicated social and political activist from Bengaluru, Karnataka, India, 8th March as well know, and the Mahavir Jayanti day. जो श्री नागातेहाल्ली रमेश जी के इन्हें अपना হয়তো অনেকেই আপনি জানেন যিনি একজন poet from Karnataka. Thinking through his poetry is becoming well known. Poetry already depth এবং thoughtfulness এবং philosophy behind his thinking সব কিছুই তার পোয়েট্রির মাধ্যমে খুব সুন্দর করে এক্সপ্রেস হয়েছে. উনি নিজেকে son of the soil agriculturist বলতে ভালোবাসেন. ওনার অনেক শর্ট ফিল্ম অ্যাওয়ার্ডেড হয়েছে এবং ভেরি ডেডিকেটেড, মানে খুবই সিনসিয়ারলি উনি সোশ্যাল এবং পলিটিক্যাল বিভিন্ন অ্যাক্টিভিটির সঙ্গে যুক্ত। আপনারা সবাই জানেন হি ইজ ফ্রম ব্যাঙ্গালোর, কর্ণাটক।
রাজধানী
যে আপনি